Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Today I have something very interesting to share with you all. I got a palette very recently from Sephora and I was simply amazed by the quality of the eyeshadows and also the price point, which is why I'm making this video. Always keep one thing in mind, that I wouldn't want to spend too much on any eyeshadow palette, and especially like Marc Jacobs eyeshadows. You get just 5 to 6 eyeshadows for so much price, makes no sense. So this is the perfect palette in 2022 which I feel is a must-have. There was only one left in the store, so I had to get it. So without talking much, let's get started with the review part of this video. I'm talking about One Size Patrick Starrr Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. This is how it looks like and it's available at Sephora. I love the packaging. It's very different and it has 15 eyeshadows in the palette. You can see the shape is so different. I was thinking in the beginning that maybe it's broken, but it's not. It's like that. And these are the eyeshadows. You can see there are a variety of shades, neutral shades, a little bit of warm tone, some cool tones as well. I love the matte eyeshadows a lot. They are so pigmented, blend so well, and the shimmer shades are also very versatile in this palette. It's originally priced at $42, but I got it at $21 as there was sale going on in Sephora. And also I would advise to use some good base for the shimmer eyeshadow specifically, so that you get the right pigment out of it. Thanks for watching everyone. Do check out this palette. It's a very good one. Bye for now.